So 6 weeks ago, we put down the mulch and we planted our vegetables to start our mulch experiment for this year, and we have a few results. First of all, it has been incredibly wet. A couple days after we planted the vegetables up until about now, it has rained every couple days, so it's been almost impossible to get into the garden. Another thing that's happened is our seeds have not come up very well, probably because they've rotted in the soil because it has been so wet. Our transplants have done pretty well though. But let's look at what we have had to do when it comes to time for weeding so far. All of the mulches have done pretty good, and we've had to spend less than an hour in each of those sections, but take a look at the control. We have had to spend 270 minutes weeding the control group. That's the group that has no mulch. That's 4.5 hours. That's a long time for weeding just a 9x8 bed. We're also noticing that underneath the mulch, it's staying a lot moister. That's retaining the water. That's one of the things that mulches are really good at doing. As we get into the heat of summer, that's probably going to become more important. But that's where we stand 6 weeks into our mulch experiment.